Hi guys, today I want to show you my new Blender add-on. It's called Mesh2Rig, and it can help you transfer mesh vertex deformations, such as cloth simulations or blend shapes, into rig animations. You can also install this as an extension directly from Blender. To install it, you should go to the Preferences extension tab. Now search for Mesh2Rig and press Install. We already got it. After installing the extension, you can see its menu in the End tab. So let's get started. I have 3 setups prepared. In the first case, we don't need to do any preparation. We just need to bake the cloth simulation. Now we need to generate a rig. In step 1, you can see 3 values. The first value is the maximum number of bones. The second value is minimum distance multiplier between the bones. The final value is the bone scale controller. Now we can select the values we need. Here we can merge extra bones. Factor. This is a distance multiplier for searching for nearby bones. The min count is the lower limit for bone merging. Just watch as I'm doing it. We should press only one button here, because the add-on automatically chooses the required values when we create a rig. Important note, in the latest update, a setting called Add Copy Rotation was introduced. You should keep it off when generating a rig with a large number of bones, like in this example. In step 4, we should set the start and end of our animation and bake it. Don't forget to delete the cloth simulation from our model. After that, I press the last button, and now we're here. Congratulations, we have a full rig animation. Okay, now we will consolidate the material using shape keys and modify our animation as an example. You can move on to the next timecode manual rig creation and come back here when you want to refresh your memory. Well done. Sometimes you might want to use your own handmade rig, so I will show you what that looks like. Also, in the 2.0.0 update, in step 3, we have a new checkbox. You should use it in scenarios with custom rigs or when you want to have a low bone count on high poly models. Okay guys, now I can be sure that you can bake any animation that you want. If you have any ideas or questions, feel free to write them in the comments here or on the official extension page. Goodbye!